everybody, welcome back to my channel. It is week 26. Does that mean it's already halfway through the whole year? I know, that's crazy. That means there's like 52 weeks, 20, I don't know. I can't count. I think this is the halfway week. That means I've been cleaning for 26 weeks and I've been good at it, kind of. But yes, it is a new week for me. Today is Tuesday. I am husband free. I am Benjamin free. Charlotte just fell asleep in her little bassinet while I was getting dressed, and I'm just like, don't move, don't move, don't move. So my house is a disaster. Husband goes back to work next week. I'm going on vacation next week, and I'm also going back to work next week. They're making me come back to work. I don't want to. I want to quit my job, but I'm only going to work one day every other week, so I have to call them and find out what is going on. But I need to clean. I'm going to give myself about 15 minutes to clean my kitchen / living room. A lot of you guys were saying you wanted me to clean my stockpile, which I'm going to. I'm going to try to do that today. If not, I'm going to do it on Thursday, which is 4th of July. My in-laws are going to come in town. It's just easier if I don't hold Charlotte. So it's now going to get a little bit difficult on cleaning now because my husband will be at work and I'll be dealing with 2 kids by myself. But I'm just going to kind of show you guys my kitchen and living room, and let's see what I can do in 15 minutes. That's how far I think Charlotte will sleep. I got a lot of videos I got to film. I do a lot of pre-filming a lot of my videos ahead of time. There's a meal I want to make, so I want to get that started so we can have that for dinner. So I am doing more cooking videos for you guys. I'm going to be doing more reviews. I'm just going to be doing a lot more stuff because if you guys don't know it, I do get paid on YouTube. I don't get much, but I'm, from what Graham and I kind of do, it for what I work, I want to make more videos so I can actually stop getting my regular job so I can do more videos for you guys. That's basically what it is. But you know, I don't want to go back to work. This is a job for me, you guys. I love doing YouTube. I love doing it. So but yeah, so I'm just gonna give you guys just kind of a quick little thing, and let's see what I can pick up in 15 minutes. I may or may not record myself cleaning. A lot of you guys are liking it cleaning, but I'm wearing a dress right now and I kind of feel fat in it because I am overweight, but there's that. But yeah, here is my mess of a living room. You guys, this is like a non-stop thing with my family. It's just, we clean it, it gets messy. We clean it, it gets messy. So I'm going to clean this whole area so you guys will see this. I mean, the island, I'm going to get that off. I'm going to completely clear this off. I got to empty my dishwasher again because it's a non-stop thing. I'm going to clean my pumping supplies because I got to do a video on breast pumps. I know it's weird, but I'm doing a video on that. Got to clean off the kitchen table, and my living room is not that bad. Ben's been really good with toys lately, but I'm just going to shut up and start cleaning. So, and then I'm sit here. This is my chair. This is my chair that I sit in all the time with Charlotte when I'm nursing her in the middle of the night. But she has been sleeping in the middle of the night. I went to bed around 11 last night because I had edited my video, and then I woke up at 7:30 with her. So she is sleeping, and she slept from like 10 to 7:30. So keeping my fingers crossed. I know it's just a phase, but this is where I pretty much eat and all that stuff. Here's all my movies. So let's get cleaning. Okay, I'm going to give you guys a time. I'm going to show you guys the time so you guys actually know how much I got done. Okay? So the time right now is, let's just do this one, 12:32. So I'm giving myself until 12:47 to get my cleaning done, and here we go. Okay, you guys, it is 12:47. I did get as much as I could done in 15 minutes. I emptied the dishwasher, I loaded the dishwasher, I washed my pumping stuff. I kind of picked up around the countertop. I threw a bunch of stuff away. I just gotta wipe it down and clear off a little bit more, but I think I did get a lot done. I also kind of cleared off the kitchen table. Still not done with that, but I mean, I do feel like it did get there. The living room, I kind of picked it up. I still got a lot more stuff to do. I got clothes to pick up around. So, little Miss Charlotte, as you see, woke up. She woke up about 5 minutes ago. So, I got as much as I could, and then now I just got to hold her. I might wear her or just see if I can put her down. But I want to get rid of all this crap down here. just throw a bunch of stuff away. Ben had a puzzle that he got from like a Hardee's Happy Meal toy, and he just threw it away, or he just dumped it, so I'm just gonna throw it away. I don't care. So that is that. My island, I didn't get picked up as much, but I'm working on it. So I'm gonna pick up a little bit more and show you guys a little bit. I'm not gonna rush, but I did feel like I got a bunch done in 15 minutes. In 15 minutes, you guys. So yes, I also have to clear my desk off. I mean, Graham, I'm sorry you guys, we're kind of lazy people, but Graham just has a collection of drinks that he just kind of just sits there. So yeah, so what I'm gonna do is just kind of pick up a little bit more, and I will show you guys what it looks like. Those guys will be home in about 15 minutes, so let's see what I can get done in 15 minutes more. I'm not gonna rush, but let's just see what I can get done with the baby. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Yes, it's been a couple days today. I'm just very emotional. I don't know what it is. I found out I have to go back to work tomorrow. I'm wearing Miss Charlotte. I'm just overtired. I wanted to go couponing today, and I'm just like, no, I just don't want to. I was able to get dressed, but there's just days where it's just, I don't want to do anything, but I do want to coupon, but I just don't, because you guys don't realize when I post videos, like, I go drive to that place. I could spend an hour at Walmart. Then when I come back, I have to do all my math. I have to edit my videos. Like, by the time I get home, sometimes 2 to 3 hours have passed by the time I even get my videos posted from the time I get home. And you guys just don't realize that it's draining, and I put a lot of work into that. And yeah, so I'm trying to clean my house. Again, this is just a non-stop thing. I've told Graham I've had it with non-stop cleaning, you guys. It's a broken record. Like, we grilled out yesterday, and stuff's still on the countertop. It's like, it's a lost cause. Are you okay? Yeah. Okay. It's a lost cause, and I just can't get anything done. And when I clean it up, it gets dirty all over again. So I'm actually doing my laundry right now. I'm doing it on the kitchen table because I am so far behind. I actually got 2 baskets done yesterday at putting them away. And now I'm just like, okay, I'm going to wear Charlotte. Graham's taking a nap. I'm going to do all the laundry. I got another load in the washing machine right now. And I probably have 2 more loads because I want to wash all the bed sheets tonight too. I'm just grossed out. Now, look at this. My kitchen's all messy again, you guys. It just never stops. So I'm going to be cleaning that up. I got stuff from shopping that I got to pick up. But it's just a non-stop thing. So you guys saw me clean for 15 minutes on Tuesday while I had a chance, and then it just got all messy again. So I'm just drained, but I'm so excited not to really go back to work, but I'm excited that I'm going on a little mini vacation coming on Tuesday. Miss Charlotte will have her doctor's appointment, and then right after that I'm heading to La Crosse, Wisconsin. That's where my family lives, so it's about a 2-hour drive from where I live. So we're gonna drive up there, take Benjamin's coming with me. We're gonna go to the Children's Museum. We're gonna visit some family because some of my family members have not met Charlotte yet. So we're gonna do that. So if any of you guys live near the La Crosse area, please let me know. And then the Wednesday, we are going on a mini road trip to Mall of America. My mom and I used to go to Mall of America every single year, and it's actually been 2 years since I've been there. This is the first time in probably 20 years since I've been going to Mall of America that I haven't been there every year. So we're going to go there. We're going to go to the underwater world, so you guys will see a vlog, maybe 2 vlogs of us just enjoying our trip. A lot of you guys are liking those vlogs. I'm even thinking of starting another channel with just family vlogs. So, don't know, but I really want to put more stuff into my YouTube channels. You guys are just really enjoying it, because some of you guys watch my channel for couponing, some of you guys watch them for the vlogs, the craft videos. Crafts are coming back, more DIYs are coming back. Probably not for a couple more months, but I'm going to be doing that. I'm going to be doing a lot more stuff to my channel, you guys. The reason is I do get paid from YouTube, and I just want more income coming in so I can spend more time alone with my family. So that's the reason why I'm doing that. So, and then I think for next week's video, a lot of you guys requested my stockpile basement. So I'm going to do that probably next week. I'm going to get everything all straightened up and do that. There may or may not be a cleaning video next Saturday because of me going out of town, but I'm going to try to do one for you guys quickly. But there's that, and then I'm also gonna do in the next weeks to come, besides the toys, you guys have no ideas about the toys, and you can give me all your opinions. I got it what I'm gonna do, so just don't worry, and I will be doing videos of that. But I'm also gonna be doing a closet. My closet in my bathroom's just a mess, so I'm gonna do an organization to that. So that's gonna be another video too. So I have a kind of a plan of what I want to do every single week. But other than that, I am going to start finishing the laundry. I got to do the dishes again, empty the dishwasher again. But let's get on to cleaning.